Hello, and welcome to Coming Attractions for Week 4 in OL660. So this is a big week this week. This week, we are going to discuss the impact of change on people. We're going to talk about transparency. We're going to talk about outcomes. We're also going to talk about the impact that change has on people, how we look at them, and also how we look at people who function as change agents. We are also going to consider how change may not just mean that people are impacted, but they actually may even get up and leave us. So what does change really mean in all of that regard? So what are you going to be doing? You are going to be doing 4 readings. There are 9 videos. There's a lecture to view, and then you are going to participate in the questions you developed in week 3. You're going to answer each other. You have to answer a minimum of 3 people. But I urge you, this is the only thing. You don't have to develop any other questions. Just answer the ones from week 3 and get involved in the discussion. So it's going to be some pretty good discussion too. Then what else are you going to do? You're going to begin your leadership story. Leadership stories will be discussed and presented. Both Lisa and I are going to present our stories to you. And then what you're supposed to do is go back to OL500, grab your What is Leadership and grab your Leadership Development Action Plan and use those to funnel into a story. You're either going to do, a video, or you're going to do a live presentation. Either way, you're going to have that ready for June 17th. So you have some time. Start on it and make sure you get comfortable with it. And your discussion questions will be due by Tuesday night, 11:59 p.m. So that's Tuesday, June 9th. And if there's any questions, you can get in touch with me. I would also suggest you stay in touch with your group about your final project and keep working on that. That's a little bit about what's coming your way this week for Coming Attractions. If you have any questions, concerns, anything I can help you with, don't hesitate to reach out. Take care.